We are talking about relations, functions, and function notation. And here we're given a replacement set. And that's what these brackets mean. That just symbolizes that there is a set. So that's what those brackets mean. So that's just a set of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the inequality. So first steps, make a table, and then determine if it is indeed true or false. So we have 2 plus 8 is greater than 12. So in this case, we're going to substitute in the 0, and 2 times 0, 0 is 8 greater than 12. That is false. The next one we come to is 1. So we have 2 plus 8 is greater than 12. So here we have 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 8. Is that greater than 12? That is false. For this one, 8 is greater than 12. That's not true. So we'll circle and put a line through it. 10 is greater than 12. That's not true. So we'll circle and put a line through it. Then we can try 2 is 2 times 2. I say plus 8 is greater than 12. And here we have 4 plus 8 is greater than 12. So is 12 greater than 12? We'll circle that, put a line through it. No, it's not. It's equal to, but it's not greater than. The next one we can work on is 3 times 2. No, 3 times 3. No, got the wrong number written down there. This one should be 2 because we're keeping that 2 the same. We only want to change that 3. 8 is greater than 12. In that case, we have 6 plus 8 is greater than 12. So here we have 14 is greater than 12, and that is true. And then the last one here, we have 4. That's not right again. We have 2. Multiply that by 3. Multiply that by 4. Making all kinds of mistakes. 2 times 4 plus 8 is greater than 12. And in that case, we have 8 plus 8. Oh, wrong off the map. So we have 8 plus 8 is greater than 12. So that is 16 is greater than 12. So that's true. So we started out with a replacement set, and now we have the solution set, which we only have 2 solutions. So the 2 solutions in this case are 3 and 4. So the solution set is 3, 4.